I sure love my jewelry. And at the end of the day, I love to put my jewelry in someplace just as beautiful. So today, I am going to show you how to create this beautiful 3-tiered jewelry tray from upcycled platters, chalk paint, and some stencils. And I want to welcome you to the YouTube channel for Revive Heart and Home. I'm Heidi, and I am here to educate and inspire you on how to decorate your home in an eco-friendly and budget-friendly way. So I hope you'll take a minute to look around, check things out. Be sure to subscribe, and let's get crafting. Okay, for today's craft, these are the supplies you're gonna need. So first of all, you're gonna need your plates. You're also going to need some clean slate to clean these puppies before we get started, along with some paper towels, some paint, and I like the black paint from Amy Howard at Home. You're going to need a brush. I'm gonna use this one, and a smaller artist brush to get on the edges. You're gonna need your stencils of choice. You will also need some adhesive. Now, for this particular project, because we really want it to stick well, I use JB Weld, Clear Weld. It's an epoxy and it sets up in 5 minutes. You are gonna need some gloves though for that. And a plate, chalk art to use with the stencils, a spreader, and a couple of little sticks for applying the glue. Okay, so we're gonna get started with cleaning these, and we wanna make sure our paint sticks. So we're going to be using clean slate. I'm going to take my artist brush, my small one first, and I'm going to paint on the inside bottom here. And you're gonna wanna put on 2 thin coats. So I'm almost done here. And then I'm going to take a second and dry these, and then put on a second coat. So hold tight. Okay, now for the fun part. We are going to apply our stencil with some Maker Studio chalk art. And now again, I've put all of the supplies in the description below. Okay, now the time for the glue. So I'm gonna put my gloves on, and the stuff smells a little bit, so just fair warning. Okay, I'm just gonna squirt it out, and the bond starts to form when you mix it up. So you're gonna do that. And then I'm going to start with the smallest piece first and glue it so we have gravity working for us. Now, I think we are ready to go. And we're just going to set that right on top like that. And I'm going to wait for about 10 minutes to let that set up, and then we will style it.